Alright guys, so I have a bottom end here that someone sent me. They don't want the paint scratched at all because they did a really nice job. And they can't get this freaking flathead out. So what I'm going to do is take a pair of channel locks and grab that spur gear. And we're putting this down so we don't scratch up the paint underneath. And what you're going to want to use is one of these. It's called an impact driver. And you put this in. You put it in and lock it in place. And we're going to lock these against those bolts. And we're going to go just like that. And what it does is it removes really stuck in hard bolts. Alright, so that's it. I'll put the gear puller on this, take it out the rest of the way, and good to go. But that's how you remove one of these.